Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mozilla Firefox your default browser. First, navigate to your computer system settings or preferences. You'll find a section dedicated to default applications or programs. This is where you can manage which apps automatically open various file types and links. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete, ensuring your preferred browser is always ready. Once in the Default Apps section, you'll need to find the specific setting for your web browser. There should be a clear option to set Default Web Browser. Click on the browser currently listed as default or the placeholder if none is set. This action will reveal a comprehensive list of all web browsers installed on your system, making it easy to choose Firefox. From the list of available browsers, simply click on Mozilla Firefox. Your system might ask for a confirmation to ensure this change is intentional. Once confirmed, Firefox will immediately become your default browser. This means all web links you click and all HTML files you open will automatically launch in Firefox, providing a consistent browsing experience. To verify the change, try opening a web link from an email or another application. It should now open directly in Mozilla Firefox. This simple adjustment ensures you consistently use your preferred browser, benefiting from Firefox's robust privacy features and extensive customization options. It's a quick way to take control of your online experience, making it more secure and personalized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.